You could barely hear them. That's a JA7, and you can see it's on 15 meters. And I'm sure this crappy new camera is only recording in the left channel again, but we'll see. He's in contact with a WW5W, and man, that guy's pounding loud. Why am I listening to 15 meters right now? Hang on, I show you. Because it's getting dark, man. It's 6:30 p.m. local time. Hang on. Okay. Whoa, wrong way, Charlie. Now you can see, I assume, an FTA signal up here. But what I want to do, why am I hang on, man. Sorry about no tripod. Tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. my time begins the ARRL International DX Contest CW edition. And me, I want to make a birth of a contest video, man. And I found the sorry about the drunken camera work. I've had a wobbly pop, but only one. I found that the best birth of a contest videos yeah, okay, I'm not gonna fight the phone. The best birth of a contest videos are those made, hang on, try touching there, are those made on the highest band you can, because that'll be the quietest band. It'll probably hopefully just before the witching hour, it'll be dead quiet and explode into activity at 7 p.m. my time. Maybe 6:59 for a few guys that are premature contesters. Right? And you want your band scope not set so wide that it's mostly empty when the contest starts raging. You want it to be mostly full. You know what I mean? I might narrow it up to like plus or minus 25 kilohertz. I'll probably leave it set to 50. Birth of a contest video. Opportunity for you cinematographers for the screw tubes. From Chuck and Blitzy. Whoops. From Chuck and Blitzy. We hope you're well. And seriously, man, I hope you're well. You get there, now I can take my hand away. Take care, guys. Watching the Olympics, I was just gonna say, look at that smile. Look at that yawn. Yeah. I've always heard that retirement was a time to cuddle up on the couch with your favorite pillow and watch the Olympics, for example.